Alright, retired Rick here. Guess what we're making today? We're going to make some heart attack chicken. Heart attack chicken wings. Got some Lowry seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of thyme, dried thyme. Gonna let that baby sit there. Let that work into it. Got my lard, using lard today. Lard heating up. Got her heating up to 350, maybe 375. We're gonna have some heart attack chicken. Stay tuned. Retired Rick, carnivore style. We got some tangerine flavored LaCroix water, sparkling water. That's what we're going to drink today. Not bad, I kind of like it. Just went to the store, bought me the family stick pack of whole wings from Walmart. Got me 3 cases of LaCroix. I got the tangerine, I got the black, let's see, what, black raspberry, and I got a coconut flavor. So we'll try that. See if that can't wash down these heart attack chicken wings. We're going to give it a try. Chicken bone broth. Got that out of my freezer. I had me a cup of it this morning. Man, you talking about delicious. Made with fresh chicken bones, chicken feet. Bought me a bag of chicken feet, and I had a bunch of chicken bones left over from the wingettes and the thighs and everything. It jelloed up just like pudding does in jello. Man, add a little bit of Redmond's real salt to that this morning. You talking about delicious. I'm gonna have that again in the morning too. I'm gonna finish this baby off. Nothing like some good old homemade bone broth. Hits the spot. Sure is what will ail you. All right, let's drop these bad boys. Got my grease heated up. I'm gonna do 4 of the drumettes at a time. Doing 8 total. I'll do the big drumettes, then I'll do the little wingettes. Hopefully they all turn out pretty good. Got some jalapeno poppers in my little toaster oven going here. So, leave my pan on low there, get a little bit of smoke that comes off that toaster oven. Get that out. See, make sure I'm covered up. That grill uncovered. Let that breathe a little bit. Everything's looking good. We're going to do 13 minutes on them portions of the wingettes. We'll give them a try. Stay tuned. Alright, been 13 minutes. Got my beeper off. Just drain a few minutes. Need to get me a plate. Bad boys out here and check it out here. Oh yeah, right at 200. Definitely want to go over 165. 210. I believe that'll work. Them nice fellas. Heart attack chicken. Heart attack chicken wings, as Rick would say. One more in there. There's a piece of something there. All that garbage. Nice crispy skin. Good old pork lard. I got 10 pieces of chicken in this one. How about that? 2 more than I thought. All right, stay tuned. We're going to have some chicken wings. All right. Buzzer's going off. Got that timer off. Oh yeah, about 210 to 11. Second batch of wings is ready. Yeah, boy. Let them babies drain. See you when I get them on the plate. We'll try them out. There we go. Heart attack chicken wings. Jalapeno poppers. These babies are pretty hot, but we're going to try one of these wings real quick. Oh, yeah. Man, they're good. Right about a little bit of seasoning I got on there. You really taste that Lowry seasoned salt. Boy, them babies are still hot. Yeah, boy. Good stuff right there. Try one of these poppers here. I bought these at the store. I didn't make them myself. They're at my meat market. They made up some with, looks like cheddar cheese in it. Look at that little feller. Bet that's gonna be hot. Oh yeah. Real hot. I'm gonna have to let them cool down. Straight out of the oven. Cream cheese. Looks like got some white cream cheese, some cheddar cheese, wrapped with bacon over a jalapeno pepper, and I'm gonna wash her down with a tangerine flavored sparkling water. Ooh, that baby got a little kick to it. Here we go, folks. Heart attack chicken wings. Pull that meat right off the bone. Until the next time, y'all have a good one. Retired Rick, carnivore style.